Hello, how are you? This time I am going to show you a simple and quick way to use the Instagram app, which, as we already know, is a social network where we can interact with other people. Let's open the app. This is it. It's very easy to sign up. If kayo pa no registered, simply register with your Facebook account or with your phone number. Here is the first screen where you can see everything posted by the people you are following. Already in this magnifying glass, we can search for more topics of our interest and see who we want to follow, or directly click here in the search bar and type what we want. For example, cars, if we want topics about cars. So a quick example like this. So look, there we can see the people who are posting car content, and if we like a post, we can view that person's profile. For example, this, look at this person's profile, instead of posting title, and if they have content related to what we want to see, then we would simply click on follow here on the blue button. In this way, we would already be following them. And here in this part here, give me a moment, we can also upload our content. There we are going to create something like a reel. A reel is a short video of less than 60 seconds. Here we can upload stories. Here we can upload a post.
Look, gentlemen, I'll show you.
We could once be, for example, this photo. Here we have different filters to apply to the photo, but you can't see much of a change here because the photo has a black background, so the change won't be visible. But with photos of faces or landscapes, it will look much better. Then we would publish. Here we can save as a draft or choose discard, because in this case I am not going to publish anything.
Look, gentlemen.
Here at the top we could see the statuses of the people we are following, as you can see. Let's open this quickly. Look, there we see the statuses of the people. We are switching statuses, and there we can see a session of reels only, and we swipe up to see more content to view this type of short video content. And here we have our profile. Here are the posts we have, the followers we have gained, and the people we are following. Here we have an overview of all the content we have uploaded. Here only the reels we have uploaded, and here the people who have tagged us. For example, this person has tagged me on several occasions. If we click here, look, this little figure appears. If we click there, we can see all the people that account tagged. So that's why they appear in this part of our personal profile. And here would be the settings, which I will explain in other videos and how they work. Here we could switch accounts or add a new account in case we want to have multiple accounts for different businesses or different types of content. And this is like a quick tour of how we can use the Instagram app. Here in the little heart, we have the people who have interacted with our content, who are following us, who have liked posts. And next to the little heart, we have the messages we have received. Messages, here we can already respond to the messages and see who is talking to us and start exchanging ideas with people. And this is how the application works. It is very intuitive and very easy to use. So I'll leave you with this video. I hope you subscribe to this channel to stay updated with much more interesting content about Android applications. See you next time. Bye bye.